In this video, we're discussing an essential aspect of camping, choosing a safe campsite. It's the key to a secure and enjoyable outdoor adventure. Here are some important factors to consider when selecting your campsite. Level ground. Opt for campsites with flat, level ground. This ensures your tent remains stable and you won't be rolling around while you sleep. Safety from hazards. Look out for hazards like trees with unstable branches or cliffs that could pose a danger. Safety should always be a priority. Sunlight exposure. A sunny campsite is a cheerful one. Choose spots with ample sunlight exposure so you can relish the outdoors to the fullest. Good drainage. Ensure the campsite has good drainage to prevent water from accumulating, creating a muddy mess. Nobody wants that, right? Well-maintained facilities. Check for well-maintained facilities, which also means fewer chances of unwanted wildlife, like snakes, visiting your camp. Access to clean water. Having access to clean water nearby is essential for hydration and cooking. Campfire rings. Lastly, a campfire ring can add to the camping experience. Enjoy s'mores and campfire stories at night in a safe and designated area. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we'll delve deeper into each of these factors. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're the first to know when our next video is up. Happy camping!